Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Jashan Satwal Sharma and I'm a practicing obstetrician and gynecologist. Today we'll be talking about PCOD or polycystic ovarian disease and I'm going to try to break a few myths that revolve around it. PCOD एक बहुत ही common topic हो चुका है, इतना common है कि everybody that I know or you know has heard about it or knows somebody who is suffering from this disease. So let's discuss about PCOD. The first one that I have heard very commonly is कि मेरी बेटी को PCOD कैसे है, मेरे को कभी नहीं हुआ, मेरी फैमिली में किसी को भी नहीं है, तो मेरी बेटी को कैसे हो गया है. PCOD is not a genetic disease. In fact, it is a lifestyle disease. It is more related to sedentary lifestyle, poor eating habits, or lack of proper sleep. That is why it is more commonly seen in the urban population. Barely seen in the rural population. So अगर आपको कभी PCOD नहीं था, आपकी बेटी को definitely हो सकता है. Myth number 2 is that irregular periods means that you have PCOD. This is not true. Although there are some menstrual irregularities that are related with PCOD, but any irregular period doesn't mean that you have PCOD. If you're having any problem with your periods, I would suggest that you visit your gynecologist and let her test you to find out whether or not you have PCOD. Myth number 3 is that शादी कर लो और PCOD ठीक हो जाएगा. This is a very funny thing that I've heard from a few patients and I really want to tell that शादी का PCOD से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. In fact, lifestyle management is what you need if you are having PCOD. You should eat a good diet, you should exercise daily and you should take the proper treatment that is required. तब PCOD ठीक हो जाएगा. Myth number 4 is that you cannot conceive if you have PCOD. This is not true. Although there is no denying that there are some problems that you can face in getting pregnant if you have PCOD, but there are a lot of treatments that are available these days that can help you to get pregnant if you're planning a baby. PCOD is not a rare disease anymore. In fact, it is so common that every 1 woman out of 10 is suffering from it. So if you think that you are having any symptoms that could be of PCOD, kindly visit your gynecologist for further advice. Thank you.